Shocking facts behind the fall of the Roman Empire. When people hear about the fall of the Roman Empire, they often imagine barbarian invasions, collapsing cities, and a once great civilization brought to its knees by swords and fire. But history is rarely that simple. The truth? Rome didn't just fall, it slowly unraveled from within. For centuries, Rome was the most powerful empire the world had ever seen, stretching across 3 continents, connected by roads, ruled by law, and fueled by ambition. But beneath the surface of its glory, cracks were forming. One of the biggest factors? Corruption from the top down. As emperors came and went, many cared more about luxury than leadership. Bribes, assassinations, and political chaos became normal. At one point, the title of emperor was even sold to the highest bidder. Meanwhile, the economy began to rot. Endless wars drained Rome's treasury. Inflation skyrocketed. The value of Roman coins dropped so much that people began bartering instead. Heavy taxes crushed farmers and small businesses, and the gap between the rich and the poor grew dangerously wide. Then came overexpansion. Rome grew too big, too fast. Managing such a vast empire became impossible. Borders were stretched thin. Local governors abused power, and communication between regions broke down. The once united empire became a tangled web of divided provinces. Culturally, a slow transformation was happening. The old Roman identity, disciplined, loyal, civic-minded, gave way to apathy. Fewer people joined the military. Public service lost its appeal. Citizenship meant less. As civic duty faded, Rome forgot what made it strong in the first place. And yes, the barbarians came. Goths, Vandals, Huns. But they were more like a final blow than a fatal cause. Rome had become so fragile, so weakened from within, that it didn't take much to break it. Some historians even say Rome didn't fall at all. It simply transformed. The Eastern Roman Empire, known as Byzantium, lasted nearly 1,000 years after the West collapsed. So the next time someone says Rome fell because of invaders, remember this. Great empires rarely die from outside forces. They crumble from the inside. When pride becomes blindness, when power corrupts, and when a civilization forgets the values that built it. Rome didn't just fall. It forgot what made it Rome.